Hello students, the next chapter in our UT is chapter 13, data handling. See children, what is data? First of all, data means when we collect information regarding a problem in the form of numbers. Suppose I tell you that go to an ice cream parlor and just count the number of children who buy chocolate flavor, number of children who buy strawberry flavor, number of children who buy mango flavor. Like this, many flavors are there in an ice cream parlor, and you are collecting the information, and when you will collect the information, that will be in the form of numbers, because I told you that you have to find the number of children who buy a particular flavor of ice cream. Okay, so that information, that answers you will get in the form of numbers. So that is the data. And when you get a particular information in the form of in the form of numbers, that is called data handling. Now in your book also they have given you an example, like Ankita and Ishita conducted a survey of the number of buses that went past the traffic lights near their school between 4 and 4:50 in the afternoon. This is what they recorded over 1 week. Like these two children, Ishita and Ankita, they got a problem from the teacher that they have to count the number of buses that pass by the traffic light in the timing 4 to 4:50. Both the children, they were going to the traffic light and counting the number of buses. Like Monday they counted 20, Tuesday 25, Wednesday 43, Thursday 19 and Friday 25. So from this they concluded that, see, these points are there, the greatest number of buses that passed by was on Wednesday. See the data, Wednesday we got 43 buses. So the maximum number of buses are passing by on Wednesday. Second one, the number of buses on Thursday was the least. See, from all these, the least number is 19, which was on Thursday. Third one, the number of buses that passed by over the week was between 19 and 43. What is the meaning of this? That when they saw the data of full week, they saw that the buses which are passing every day are between 19 and 43. Means the minimum 90 and maximum 43. And other days they are all between 19 and 43. On Tuesday and Friday, the number of buses was the same. See, on Tuesday it is 25 and on Friday also it is 25. So both the days the number of buses were same. So this information, these all the points which they have written, we got this information from this data. Okay, and this information, collecting information and processing something out of that information is called data handling. Okay. Now we have pictograph. See children, this is also same. When we present this data, these numbers, we write in the form of pictures, that is called pictograph. This is also same, but the difference is that we are drawing the number of buses. See here, they have got 2 buses here. Why they have got 2? Because in pictograph we make a key also, which present the number of buses. Means a big bus, we have particular number we have kept for that big bus. Okay, now let us see the key of this. Now see the key. We have a big bus which is equal to 10 buses and a small bus which is equal to 1 bus. So we had on Monday we had 20 buses, so they drew 2 big buses. Now on Tuesday we have 2 big buses, means 20, and small buses how many are there? 10, 10, 20, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means 20 and 5, 25. On Wednesday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, then 41, 42, 43. Okay, that information which they collected, now it is in the form of pictures. On Thursday, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19 buses. On Thursday we have, on Friday we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Now, see children, we have the definition of this pictograph here. A pictogram or pictograph, same only, pictogram or pictograph, present data in picture form. It consists of 4 parts. Now what are the 4 parts here? It has title, the main heading, it has labels or categories, like they have here, they have Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, like that they have. These are called the categories. Then we have, it has pictures or symbols, and it has a key also, which I already told you what is a key. Okay, children. Now, in the above pictograph, the title is how many buses between 4 and 4:50 in the afternoon. Okay, this is the title of your pictograph. Understood, children? You can see here also, they have given it in a blue line. How many buses? This is the title. Okay. So every pictograph will have a title. The labels. What are the labels? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are the labels. Then pictures, you know that the drawing is called a picture. And the key tells you that one big bus stands for 10 buses and one small bus stands for 1 bus. Now we have exercise questions. Exercise 13.1. Here we have got a pictograph, and from this pictograph we have to find out the questions what they have asked, their answers we have to find out. Now we have study the following pictograph and answer the questions that follow. Name means names of the children they have given here. Arun, Akriti, Michelle, Shahrukh, Ramya. These are the names of the children, and they have collected some starfishes. Number of starfish collected. See children, first of all, before we solve this, we have to see the key. Now in the key, we have one full starfish which is equal to 2 starfish, and 1 half starfish is equal to 1 starfish. Now from this we got the information that wherever it will be half, we have to count it as 1 starfish, and wherever it will be full, we have to count it as 2 starfish. Now we can see here, we have full starfish means we will write 2. Then again full starfish 2, 2, 2, 2, and here it is half means it will be 1. So when we'll count all these, we'll get 11. The same way, Akriti has also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full means it will be 10, 5 2s are 10, and 1 half which is 11. Then we have Michelle. How many starfish does she collect? She collected 1, 2, 3 full means 2, 2, 2. 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7. Okay. Then we have Shahrukh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full means 6 2s are 12. Then we have Ramya. 1, 2, 3, 4 starfish which is equal to 8. So we will write it in advance. These all the things. Whatever they have given you the information in numbers, we will write it here. Now we have the questions. Who collected the least number of starfish and how many? So let us see which is the least number here. It is 7. And it is collected by which child? Michelle. So we will write Michelle. How many it is? 7 it will come. I have written 7. 8 here I have written. It is wrong. It is 7 is the answer here. Now we have B part. Who collected more starfish? See children, which is the most here? 11, 11, 7, 12, 8. 12 is the most, so 12 is the most. So we'll write who collected more starfish? Arun or Shahrukh? It is Shahrukh. So in the fill-up, we'll write Shahrukh. How many more? Means how many more than Arun? Now let us see how many Arun collected. See the column of Arun. He has collected 11. And see the column of Shahrukh. He has collected 12. So what is the difference between these? 12 minus 11, it is a 1. So we'll write 1 more. Now C part. Arun and Akriti together collected the same number of starfish are dash and dash. Now see the column of Arun and Akriti. How many both starfishes have collected? They have collected 11, 11. So we'll write 11, 11. If Michelle takes 1 starfish from Arun, then Michelle and dash will have the same number of starfish and the number will be dash. Now see the picture. If Michelle takes 1 from Arun. Now how many Michelle is having? She is having 7. So if she takes 1, it will be 8. Okay. Now who is having 8? This girl also is having 8. Who is this girl? This is Ramya. Okay. So what you will write here? If Michelle takes one starfish from Aaron and then Michelle and Dash means who will have the same? Ramya will have the same. And how many both of them will have? They will have 8. How many starfish did the children collect in all? Means total starfish, how many they are? So we have to add all these. We'll get 49 as the answer. Now question number 2. This is very easy question, children. Here we have the students of class 3 were asked about how many students of class 3 were asked about how they came to school. Now we have got a pictograph here. Simply we have to write the number of children by seeing the key. Now see the key. We have one big child which is equal to 10 students and one small one which is equal to 1 student. So we'll count big one as 10 and small one as 1. So the number of children are coming to the school and they are using different vehicles to come to the school. Like here it is walking, school bus, auto rickshaw, two-wheeler, van, car. Let us write the number now by seeing this picture. Here walking we have one big and one small. Big one is equal to 10 and small one is equal to 1. So 10 and 1, 11. Now 10, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So we'll write 32. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we'll write 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Here all small mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6. Only this much you have to write in this question. Now the next questions, draw pictographs. These questions we will do in the notebook. Let us see the things to be written in the copy. Chapter 13, data handling. Here we have question 1, what is data handling? It means collecting, recording and presenting the information in the form of pictures or numbers. Okay. Question number 2, what is pictograph? It means representing the information in that information or data in the form of pictures. It has a key. It means representing the information or data in the form of pictures. It has a key. Question number 3 is, which is your favorite color? Data obtained from 40 children is given to you. Like red color is liked by 7, blue is liked by 6, green is liked by 4, yellow by 5, pink by 8 children and orange by 10 children. Now we have to draw the pictograph. Let us see the pictograph here. So we will write the title first. Favorite color of children. This is the title. Now we have to write the categories, color and then number of children. See children, before we draw this, we have to write the key. Because without key, you will not be able to present the data. So here we have drawn circles. So one full circle is for 2 children and one half circle is for 1 child. So for 2 children, we have to mark 1 circle. Okay. So let us see. Red is liked by 7 children. In the book you can see. So we'll draw 3 full circles, 2, 2, 2, 6 and then 1 left and 1 will be for half. Now blue is liked by 6 children. So we'll draw 3 full circles. Now green is liked by 4. So 2 full circles. Yellow by 5. So 2 full circles, 4 and 1 left. That one will be the half. Now pink, 1, 2, 3, 4 full circles. Orange by 10 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full circles. Okay, this only you have to do in this. But key is the important thing. Now question number 4, you can see the snacks sold in school canteen. We have samosa, puff, cream roll and sandwich. See children, samosa is liked by 14 children. Puff is liked by 6 children. Cream roll by 5 and sandwich by 9 children. So here we have the pictograph. Snacks sold in the school canteen. Snacks one side, number sold means in how many snacks were sold. For this we have the key first. In one big triangle we have 5 snacks and small one we have 1 snack. So samosa, first of all, samosa is liked by 1, 2 big triangles means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 children. Then we have puff which is liked by 6. So we'll draw 1 big and 1 small. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now we have cream roll, which is liked by 5 children. So only one big triangle. Then sandwiches, which are liked by 9 children. So one big triangle, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children. So this is all about your chapter. Your chapter is finished now. Bye-bye.